Morning traders, Nick Macedonia, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Thursday, December 4th. It's approximately 5 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia, all of Asia close to the upside, with nothing really trading lower, if you will. And this was probably on top of, following the heels of what happened on Wall Street yesterday. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the upside. You're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading fractionally lower, and this just happened because up until a few minutes ago it was trading higher. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. There is no correlation between crude and the U.S. dollar. Financials in terms of treasury bonds are trading higher. And apparently all the indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Metals in terms of gold is trading lower. Now we're going to take a look at the economic news that we have on the docket for the U.S. markets. At 7:30 a.m. we have the Challenger job cuts. This comes out on a monthly basis just prior to the jobs numbers, which will be released tomorrow. One thing I would want to also specify is, and this pertains to Europe, is the ECB is going to be considering quantitative easing today, and also make a decision on the minimum bid rate, which is what their equivalent is to our overnight rate for on the FOMC. They'll also be scheduling a conference or a press conference at 8:30 a.m. And that could have some ramifications on the U.S. markets as well. However, at 8:30 for us, the U.S. markets, we do have unemployment claims, which is typical, usual, and customary for Thursday. We also have an FOMC member speaking right around the same time. At 10:30 a.m. we have natural gas storage. And at 12:30 we also have an FOMC member speaking as well. All in all, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting this is very simply this. Energies in terms of crude oil is trading higher. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. This typically should not bode well for an upside day. In fact, in theory, the indices should be going down. However, if we were to take a look at them, they aren't. And basically, we're not really seeing follow through in terms of what the other instruments are telling us right now, which would suggest to us a neutral bias, which basically means that the markets would go in any direction today. And a lot of what happens is going to be predicated upon economic news. What are we going to see in terms of Challenger job cuts? What are we going to see in terms of unemployment claims, etc.? Hence a neutral bias. Best course of action in a situation like this would be to wait for all the economic news to come out, see how the market reacts to it, and then decide accordingly in terms of direction and how you wish to trade. Thanks. I hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.